So hello and welcome. So today we are creating a material design edit text view. First of all we need to change this first of all I want to change this to relative layout. After this you need to check build Gradle file for your app, not for your project, and check the material design dependency, this one. If you already have this, then don't need to update your build Gradle file. Go to your XML file and here just add input text input layout and set its width with your choice on 60 dp. And the next one is a wrap content. Add hint, so I add is a edit text, enter your text, next just we need to center intent true, so here we need to add the text view input, this one text input edit text. The width is not a rep content, just match parent to the height is I think 50 dp is okay. Gravity is center. The edit text is ready, so we need to check this.